Okay, grade 8. So how are we going to determine whether a given trinomial is perfect square or not? So remember, you have to check first. The first term should be a perfect square and the last term should be a perfect square. Okay? So how will you know if it's a perfect square? Try to get the square root. So remember, when we get the square root of the exponent of the variable, we divide it by 2. If it is cubed, then we divide it by 3. But here, it's only, we try to check if it's a perfect square or not, so we divide it by 2. Is it divisible by 2? Yes. So the 2 divided by 2 is 1. That's why the square root of y squared is y. The square root of 1 is 1 because 1 times 1 will give you 1. So what's next? So it's a perfect square, it's a perfect square. Let's multiply them. Okay, so y times 1 will give you 1y or y, and then multiply it by 2. So 1y times 2 will give you, so 1y, so 1 times y equals 1y or y. And then y or 1y times 2. So we'll give you 2y. So is this the same with this one? Yes. If the answer is the same, then our expression is a perfect square trinomial. Okay? So again, take the square. Is this a perfect square? Yes. Perfect square? Yes, because the square root of y squared is y. The square root of 1 is y. Multiply them. 1 times y will give you 1y or y. And then times 2. Always multiply by 2 for your middle term. So 1y times 2 will give you 2y. Therefore, this is a perfect square trinomial. Okay?